In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a fillable PDF form in JotForm. So there's actually a few ways of doing this. The first one is if you already have a form and you'd like to turn that into a fillable PDF form, you can go ahead and just basically hover over it, go to More on the right-hand side, and then from here you want to click on Open PDF Editor over here. But if you are on a new form which you've never edited before, you have to go to More here and then Create PDF Document, and it's going to do the same thing. So here, this is just an empty form. I'm going to click on Create PDF Document here, and it's going to start converting in just a few seconds. And there we go. As you can see, it's going to allow you to basically go ahead and start creating your PDF fillable form. Okay, so here on the left, you have basic elements. You can go ahead and add in some text. You can add in headings. You can add in lines, stuff like that. So you have like signatures, for example. You have form titles, etc. So there's a bunch of different things you could add in here. Okay, and in here, you'll be able to see basically your form fields, and you'll be able to, of course, go ahead and select and see which ones are on here already. You can duplicate them, you can do whatever you want. And if you click on form up here, you can click on view form, and then here it's going to basically kind of show you how this looks like right now. As you can see, for me, it just says form right now. And if I go back to basic elements, I can put on a bunch of different things. So like submission IP, submission date, like there's a bunch of different things, and you can just go ahead and drag and drop these and you'll be good to go. Now you could also create a new PDF top left over here, and then you could just use a template or use default layout. So if I click on default layout over here, there we go. It's basically just going to open up a default layout, which is like a default form over here, and I can go ahead and start creating it by adding on these elements here on the left. So that's the basics how you do it, okay? However, there's multiple other ways as well. So if I go to, for example, back to JotForm, I could go to up here where it says products, and I could go into PDF editor over here. This is going to open up the PDF editor right away. You can click on try PDF editor, and then from here you'll be able to just basically create one from a template. Okay, so as you can see, there we go, there's a bunch of different templates, and for example, let's just say this one is the one I want to use. I can click on use template over here, and then it's going to basically show you how you can basically create it. So I can click on create new form over here. It's going to create a new form for me, and there we go. I can go ahead and start filling out this form. I can go and put in a kind of custom fields here on the right. You can see basically what else has been added in here by default inside the template, and you can go and customize it. You can change it, you can remove it, stuff like that. So that's how to actually create fillable PDF forms in JotForm. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.